Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your account right here on Bitpanda. We just created ourselves an account and we want to verify this, and we can do this on two ways. Or click right here on verify now, or click here on the panda and then click here on verify now. So what they want you to do is that you will fill in everything right here. So we will do this real quick. Then they send a SMS code to our mobile number. And then right now, what we need to do is we need to verify ourselves with an ID. And it's quite simple, because if you click right here on passport and we do continue, you see here thumbs up, and that is a very good application that will help you on the most easy way to send a photo or a copy from your ID. So we click now on this and then we do continue. And then right now they're telling us keep your identity document ready, be in a well-lit environment, and make sure you have a good and stable internet connection. So now we can click right here on start. Select here how you want to verify yourself. So I want to do this with my driving license. And then what we need to do is we can continue on phone. So if we now click here on continue on phone, we scan this right here and then scan in our ID like here. You just need to make a picture of the front side and the back side. And then once you did that, you verified your account right here on Bitpanda. So these are the steps that you need to do. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.